I got a good one for you today. Smooth. Whatever the opposite of earthy is, that's what Monkey Shoulder is. Monkey Shoulder is a great scotch. It's also widely available at a lot of restaurants and bars. The thing I love most about Monkey Shoulder is it's an affordable scotch that you can use either to drink straight, neat, whatever, or put it in cocktails, and that's what we're gonna do today. My old fashioned is my go-to whiskey or bourbon cocktail. And sometimes I just kind of wanna get something different, but let's be honest, most of these cocktail menus don't include a whole lot of bourbon drinks. You know, the old fashioned is usually there. But other than that, it's a little bit harder to find some other good cocktails that are bourbon or whiskey based. So today I'm gonna give you one that you can ask for at most bars and restaurants that they'll know, although it may not be on their menu. You've probably seen Monkey Shoulder before. It's an 86 proof Scotch whiskey, and it's really, like I said, smooth, clean, and it goes well in cocktails. It also goes well neat. Goes really well neat. This cocktail is very easy and straightforward. There's only two other ingredients besides ice. One of them is called Benedictine liqueur, and the other is walnut liqueur. Now let me show you how to get this done. Start with a little ice in the mixing glass. Put that guy in there. Let's do 2 ounces of whatever scotch you're using. It should be a blended scotch, and there's not many that taste good, so I definitely recommend Monkey Shoulder. 2 ounces. A half an ounce of Benedictine. This is fairly strong, so make sure you don't use more than a half an ounce at first. You might want to add just a touch more if you like the flavor. You can find this at most liquor stores, but not all of them. This is walnut liqueur, half ounce. It's got a nice dark color to it. Stir it up really well like you would in old fashioned. And there you have a Sentimental Gentleman. It smells a little bit sweet, nutty, and I'm not sure you can smell delicious, but if you can, it smells delicious. Oh yeah, it's so smooth. The Monkey Shoulder comes shining through with a smooth blended Scotch whiskey, and then the Benedictine comes in and it's even smoother, and then the walnut comes in and adds just a little punch of flavor. It's delicious. Your bartenders will probably know how to make it or have heard of it. If you're a big old-fashioned fan like myself, I promise this is a wonderful cocktail. It gives you an option to change things up just a little bit if you want to. Tell us down in the comments below, what's your favorite backyard cocktail? Make sure you give this a shot, guys. I can't wait to see you on the next video.